This unit produces 5 tons of potted feed for laying hens. Soybean meal and corn are separately stored in different raw material warehouses. Automatic batching and crushing through machines. Mix the ingredients and make the finished powder. The finished products enter 5 material towers respectively. Reuse the material line and directly transport it to the chicken coop. The modular design of the unit makes installation easy. PLC visualization control system fully automated operation. If you are interested in this unit, please leave a message in the group for consultation.